Okay, so these half swizzle pumps in a straight line, or half lemon pumps in a straight line, they are literally what they say on the tin. It's going to be the half swizzle, so you're only going to be using one foot to push. So we're going to be pushing with our right foot for this example, but you're going to make sure that when you push, you have all of your weight over the left foot. You transfer all of your weight over the left foot when you push onto it. You'll be driving through your right foot, so you'd like to start off with a bit more weight on the right foot, but as you push for the first push, over the left foot. You can see that my chest here is completely over my left side. Now for the swizzle pumps, you won't want to go that low in them, but you want to make sure you still have nice relaxed knees as you're doing it. So if I do a few coming up this direction, you can see that my arms are twisted in, start off with, and I push using my right foot. Now I draw back up together, change my arms, twisted in, and push, and draw back up together, change my arms for the next turn. So I'm always leaning in the direction that I want to go to. Right now I'm leaning into the left, now I'm going to turn and lean into the right for the next push. Okay, so some of the common mistakes with swizzle pumps are leaning out, leaning in the wrong place. You want to make sure that your lean is always pushing it forward onto the foot that's on the inside of the curve, right here on the inside of the curve. If you lean out, you're not going to be able to drive through that foot. So if you push out, I'm out here. I feel really awkward and I'm not really getting on a curve because you can see that my inside foot is still rocked over to that inside edge. We want this inside foot over on that outside edge. You can see it's slightly rocked over there. So each time when I'm doing my swizzle pumps, I lean in this way, I lean in this way. I'm using my body to keep on changing direction.